Where that donor at, bro? Where that donor at? Where's that donor at? We need the donor. They spammed it in the chat. They saying donor, donor, donor. Hell yeah. You ready for that donor?
Who are you? I don't know you.
My name's Nate Higgers.
Who are you?
My name's Nate.
Are you a star?
Huh?
Are you a star? Are you from the United States?
Yeah, I play for Real Madrid. Mbappe. Huh? Let me get that donor.
You want one kebab?
A donor. No,
donor.
no, donor. Donor. Donor.
Okay.
Donor, donor,
No
no.
spice or no spice? Chili?
Spice or spice? Chat. Spice or no spice, chat?
It's very spicy, very, very hot.
Ooh. Let me get that donor.
Okay.
Let me get that donor. Give me that donor. Come on, boy. I can't wait for this donor. What? What? Yeah, nigga. I mean, digga. Come on, donor.
Do you want something to drink?
Yeah, water. Who I'm about to chat. This donor about to be good, bro.
How do you want to eat your dinner?
What do you mean?
You can choose a salad and you have 3 sauces. Garlic, spicy, and the last was Kräuter. Huh? Herbs. Herbs? 3 sauces. Take garlic and dings. Yes, Kräuter.
I don't know. I just want a donor, bro. Give me a
You
donor.
like spicy?
A little bit spice.
Abi bir su daha veriyorsun.
Come on, man.
Abi döneri çıkartabilir miyiz?
Woo.
Döner.
Meine Jacke bitte.
Yeah, this donor better make me fucking go crazy, bro. This donor better make me go crazy. Come on.
This is one of the best donors.
Donor time. Donor time.
You want
This
onion?
is really one of the best donors in Berlin.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, donor.
Sweet.
How do you know?
What?
Onion, red cabbage, green.
Lettuce. Light lettuce and light tomatoes. Light.
Yeah, now I know you are from Real Madrid.
Yes, my name's Mbappe.
And where do you come from in the United States?
Nah, I come from Paris.
Paris. You are from a French place?
Yes, but I'm American.
Oh, American.
Yeah,
you
but I
have an American passport.
Yes.
Okay.
But I play for Real Madrid.
For the left side.
Yep. Left side.
But Mbappé is coming.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
He's,
Yeah, we talk all the time on the phone.
yeah, do you know him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the same squad. That's it. Donor. Give me that donor. Give me that donor. Hur. All right, y'all back up. I'm out here trying to donor.
Let's go, Speed!
What? Okay. Back up. I'm out here trying to donor. Back up.
Don't forget to say Bismillah before you bite.
Okay. Back up. Thomas, you back up. I'm out there trying this donor. Bismillah, donor time. Donor! Go!
It's good.
God damn! God damn! This is a donor right here, God damn it! This is fucking good. What is this meat? Oh, it's just spicy. Woo, water.
Give me Ayran. You English auf einmal mit dir.
I never had this meat before. It's good.
Try Ayran. You try it before? Yogo. If it's spicy, it's good for you.
to my nose. I never had this meat before. I swear to God, Chad, this shit actually good as fuck. What is this meat? Huh? Yeah, very good.
It's for drinking.
Huh?
No. Drink.
What?
No.
What?
We don't do it. We don't do it like this in Berlin.
What?
Bite and then drink.
Oh. Oh, bite, drink? Oh. Oh.
Suey!
You gotta try this one day. That shit good.
Spicy, yeah? Birkaç tane peçete ver.
Hey Jungs, hört auf zu drängeln.
9.5 out of 10, bro. Just good. You right, bro. You was right. You was right. You was right.
Okay. Speed, you wanna try to cut some meat?
Yeah, let me cut some meat.
Okay.
I want to cut some meat.
Döner kesmek istiyor.
Let me cut that meat. Let me cut that meat. What? What? Oh, hey.
Yes.
Donor. I got ball. Donor.
Make me one dinner!
What? Yes. Tuma. What the fuck? What the hell? Here, $5. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. Oh, €5.
Ya yavaş lan.
Huh?
Yo,
Thank you, bro.
yo, kein Problem. Alles gut. Hey, Döner, Bruder.
Donor time!
Ja, Bro. Warte. Gib mir noch ein Wasser, bitte.
Ja, ich hab gegeben. Yavaşla bağırmayın.
Sü.